Have you ever wanted to sell your Stashway investments? Maybe you need the money for a down payment on a house, or maybe you just want to take some profits. If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to sell money on Stashway. Stashway is a great platform for investing your money. It's easy to use and offers a variety of investment options. However, there may be times when you want to sell your money on Stashway. For example, you may need the money to pay for an emergency or to invest in another opportunity. Step 1. Log into your Stashway account. The first step is to log into your Stashway account. You can do this by going to the Stashway website or app. Step 2. Select the investment you want to sell. Once you're logged in, select the investment you want to sell. You can do this by clicking on the Investments tab and then selecting the investment you want to sell. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to sell. Next, enter the amount of money you want to sell. You can sell any amount of money up to the total amount of your investment. Step 4. Confirm your sale. Once you've entered the amount you want to sell, click on the Confirm Sale button. Step 5. Wait for your money to be credited to your account. After you confirm your sale, it will take a few days for your money to be credited to your account. Additional tips. You can sell your investments at any time. There is no minimum or maximum amount that you can sell. You can sell your investments for cash or for another investment. If you sell your investment for cash, the money will be deposited into your bank account. If you sell your investment for another investment, the money will be reinvested in the new investment. Selling your money on Stashway is easy. Just follow the steps above and you'll be on your way. With that said, thanks for watching.